Let me show you this adorably easy way to elevate any spring or Easter celebration, or just like a random Tuesday in the spring. We're gonna take our cutie little Parsnip Pete here, and I've just heated this like metal straw thing to poke a hole into our sweet little Parsnip Pete to fit a straw through. And I'm just making a latte like I normally would. I'm using my Fairlife protein shake just like I normally would, and I'm gonna shake it in a shaker to ice it. I also use collagen slash colostrum, and so I was just mixing that up, making it like a latte I normally would, but with the cutest cup, might I say. And so I'm just mixing it all up in an iced cocktail shaker, and I'm going to take a funnel to funnel it through. And this is seriously, I'm so obsessed with this idea. He is so adorable. It's such a fun, cute way to drink a latte, or you could do a cocktail. You could do an espresso martini in this little guy. How freaking adorable. Or if you have kids, just put some milk in there for them. And then I also did not want him to go to waste, because it's not like we can clean him out and reuse him like a cup. This is definitely like novelty, but I gave him a couple extra holes in his head, and I gave him a flower crown and used him as a cute little centerpiece in a vase, since I can't really drink out of him anymore. This turned out so cute. You cannot make a hot latte in this. I literally brought this to my husband to show him how cute it was, and he freaked out that it was gonna melt everywhere. And I was like, are you kidding me? I am very smart. I'm not gonna put hot latte into this chocolate bunny. And also, just to elevate kind of like my centerpiece and snack, I took some white chocolate chips, melted them, and made little chocolate covered strawberries, but I made them orange so that it's like they're like little carrots. I actually didn't have any orange food dye. I only had yellow and pink, so I made some like little pastel, little orange chocolate covered strawberries. And this was, I mean, an amazing afternoon for me, but this would be amazing for guests and kids as well.